Hello guys! Ito na yung first journey namin na 2-hour hiking with Gemma and Jimmy and my son Gavin. Ay na, nagadayo, agpababa, agpangato. But, you know what guys? Nagpintas. It's a lot of fun.
Only 340 more to go down.
Oh, really? Wow. See, come on, we go down. Hala, kasi nung umuli tayo na, hindi kasi mo lang kangato din. Hala, kaya nga ta, charing. Kayam Gabin? Oh my God. Very steep. We're going down the river. Castity lifestyle ni Mr. and Mrs. Nino ni Ronnie D. Magmag na. Tao mati car dito, oy. Look at that. Beautiful. Look. Anak, kaya pa? Oh, laban ka. Ang aming trip. I know, look at the bato. Look at that. No kumada di kayo Santa Ignacio di kaslamag kumadato ka di Kalipayan. Oh my God. Nature talaga, oh. Look at that. So, talagang God is so good. Look. Oh. One. Mismo ka talaga. Oh, adamo ti little cave da dito yun. Oh, look at that. Sobrang ganda po talaga ang nature na ito yung trip namin. Nakakapagod pero you know what? Nawat-wat tibagi. Yeah, I know.